Meet Raj, a shareholder of a company. One day, he receives an email from MyShareholding.
Wait, I got the mail. But I still can't see my shares in my Demat account. Hello, I got a mail that one of the companies I hold shares in has received an ISIN through MyShareholding. But I'm not seeing those shares in my Demat account. Why?
Hi Raj, great question. Getting an ISIN is just the first step. To view your shares, you need to follow a simple 3-step process. Begin by visiting MyShareholding.com. Click Login at the top right, choose Shareholder, then tap Register here. Next, you'll be redirected to open your Demat account. Just follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once your Demat account is successfully opened, log into MyShareholding as a shareholder using your PAN. For your first login, click Forgot Password to set a new one. After logging in, you'll see all your holdings. To dematerialize, click DRF to generate the form. Print, sign, and submit it to your broker along with the original share certificates. Your broker will now send the request to the company for Demat confirmation. After the company approves, it moves to the RTA for final processing. Once cleared, the shares show up in your Demat account.
Now I am able to see my shares in the Demat account. Thanks MyShareholding for explaining me the DRF process.
Visit myshareholding.com to digitalize your holdings and enjoy a seamless Demat experience.